everyone, I'm going to show you how to change email address in Canva. If you've switched to a new email or no longer have access to your old one, Canva lets you update the email address associated with your account. So to start, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner, then select your account. Now under your profile, so scroll down to your account and you can see your email address. Then click edit on the right side. So they'll send you a code to your email or to that email, then copy and paste the code in here. So go to your email, then look for the code and copy and paste it.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Then from here, this is where you can edit your email address. So put in your new email address, then click on save. You then refresh the page to save any changes, then double check and see if it worked. You can also go to account and security. Then from here, under recovery methods, you can add recovery email address. So if you lose access to your account, so you can use your recovery methods to get back in. So under recovery email address, click on add beside it and add your recovery or new recovery email address. So put in your email address in here and click on continue. And it will be saved, or you can refresh the page and see if it saved any changes. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.